Let's break down every single Sephora holiday set. Value, what you get for your money, and review on the products. Let's start with the best one. 4 full-size products for $45. Full-size Patrick Ta lip plumper in 2cc. Full-size Rare Beauty lip balm in nearly neutral. Mini Huda Beauty lip liner in warm brown. Full-size Charlotte Tilbury in pillow talk. Glossier gloss in red, full-size. This is a subtle sheer red, don't be scared. Pat McGrath mini lipstick in divine rose. And a mini Tarte lip plump in cherry blossom. The value of the set is actually insane. Along the Patrick Ta and the Charlotte Tilbury are more than $45. I will be getting this. Next, the mini Luxe Vibes beauty set. I will definitely skip this. None of them are full-size. La Mer cream is 7 milliliter. It is that tiny. The 2 lipsticks, the formulas are amazing, but the shades are not really the most universal. The Kerastase hair oil is so good, but again, it is 15 milliliter. That will not last you that long. Dr. Barbara Sturm, I want to say it in German. Niacinamide serum. It does not get me excited at all, and it is 1 milliliter. 1 milliliter. Hourglass Veil setting powder. It is so good. It's one of my favorite setting powders, but again, a mini for $50. The only thing that really gets me excited, mini Pat McGrath mascara, which is just fine. The only really amazing thing in here is the Hourglass Veil powder. For $50, just skip on the set and get the full-size powder. Next up, the Sparkly Clean Beauty set. 4 full-size products in here. The Merit lipstick in shade L'Avenue. The formula is amazing. They do blush in chili, full size. A beautiful blush. I cannot wait to have this shade. Frag Beauty Lactic Acid toner in a mini. I don't care about that at all. Calorie Plumping Gloss in Taco Tuesday, full size. Mini of the Rose Ink mascara. It is okay. It is not my favorite, but a good mascara. Full size Kosas brow gel. It is amazing even for really stubborn brows. Merit is $26. Say is $25. Just with these two, you save a lot of money. Next up, the holiday makeup must-haves. I will skip this set. You get a full size Lawless lip plumper in shade Velvet. That is a beautiful lip plumper, a beautiful gloss. I absolutely love the formula. Full size KVD eyeliner does not get me excited. Full size Milk Makeup blush, really beautiful. A full size beauty blender. I get mine from Amazon and they are amazing. We have a mini Huda powder and banana bread, mini makeup eraser, Dr. D peel pads, and they are amazing, but these are the youngster strength. Really only for resilient skin. Mini Charlotte Tilbury setting spray is of course amazing. Mini Used to the People cleanser. The bottle is tiny. I don't know. I don't think it's worth it. Mini Amiga dry shampoo, okay, and mini Fenty mascara is okay too. Nothing really blows me away in here. For almost $60, this set is just not worth it. Next up, the Glitz and Glam makeup set. Only 2 full size in here. One the lashes, of course, and the Glossier mascara. Let's go through the minis quick. We have the Huda Beauty lip liner, which is beautiful. The Benefit brow wax, amazing. I really like it. Little Glow Recipe, niacinamide drops, nice but tiny. Ilia liquid eyeshadow. I did not like the formula that much. Iconic London setting spray. If you're oily, you will not like it. I have dry skin and I actually really love it. Mini Kosas wet lip oil, which is amazing. Gizu mini hair oil. Don't tell you how much you get, but it looks like a few milliliter. For me, that would be like 2 or 3 days. Our Ass mini cream blush. The formula is amazing. I have a few of them, but the full size is $18. I'm just not impressed by this kit. There's nothing that I really want, nothing that gets me excited. I will definitely skip on this. This, on the other hand, is an amazing set. You will get a Wushi for a full size of one of them. Lancome Idol, so beautiful for a more natural lash look. And the Benefit Fan Fest. It is such a beautiful mascara. The only one I really don't like is the Too Faced. They give me some shine set. I have email notifications on. It is sold out currently. I definitely want to get my hands on this. We have 4 full-size products. Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk medium. I prefer this shade over the original Pillow Talk. It is so pretty. Tower 28 lip jelly in Sesame. One of my favorite lip gloss formulas. Full-size Laneige lip balm in Berry. It is more of a clear lip balm. Full-size one-size lip liner in Outer Line. These liners stay on forever. I don't have the shade yet, so I'm super excited. We have a mini Nurse Power Matte in Dragon Girl and a Givenchy lip balm. The prettiest lip balm you will ever own. Only the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick is $35, so you get everything else for free. The styling kit, I will pass on this one. The Bumble and Bumble Heat Shield, Color Wow Dream Shield. This one is amazing. It is so freaking good. Moroccan All Texture Spray, Amica Dry Shampoo, and Olaplex No. 6 Styling Cream. The Way Leave-In Conditioner. This smells so beautiful. I just checked. They updated the set. I took this screenshot this morning, and now we have 2 more products in there. Still at $39. They added the Vegamour Dry Shampoo and the JVN styling cream. All minis. That makes the set a little bit better, but for $40. All of them are so often in Ulta freebie bags. Also can fairly often redeem them for 100 points on Sephora, or you can use a code on Sephora and get one of them for free. The only one that gets me really excited that I purchased and repurchased so many times is the Color Wow. The Color Wow full size, $28. I will just go with that. This is so worth it. I got it half a year ago and they still have it. For $80 you get 6 deluxe size perfumes and a mini candle. And you can redeem it with a Wuxi for a full size of whichever one you like. When you're eyeing one of them, this is so worth it. I got me the Gucci Flora, and the 30ml Gucci was $100. So I saved $20 and I got all this for free. This would make the perfect gift. You get 16 different fragrances. Only samples, but 16 versus 6. So many to try, so many to choose from, and again you get a Wuxi for a full size. And if you go mothing, then get the Tom Ford Ombre Leather. It is a 50ml worth $155. And you paid $85, so you made a lot of money. Let me know if you want to see the holiday sets. I can go through them too.